I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is that time again. We are back with another wig review. Today we will be getting into the Sensational Butta Lace Butta Unit 8. I have it in the color Money Piece Blonde. This wig, let's get into it, has virtually undetectable HD lace. It blends with most skin tones. It does have ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area. It does come pre-plucked with baby hairs. It has your natural density hairline. It does come in 9 different colors. They're more like your natural colors, but y'all get into it. Look at their hairline, look at the color. Like I said, it's pre-plucked, so you don't have to do anything to it. So this wig is beginner friendly. So that's what I'm just showing y'all here, the hairline. Now this is one other brand I will say, because y'all know I love Outre. When I'm not using them, I do occasionally go to Sensational for wigs. I want y'all to let me know down in the comments, what other wig brands do y'all like? Preferably ones that do synthetic hair, not human hair wigs, more synthetic. Let me know down in the comments. But yeah, so it has that 5-inch deep parting space in the middle. It is set in stone, so you can't switch the part around. It's not a lace frontal, so what it is what it is. You do have your 2 combs in the front. You do have 1 in the back. Now a lot of their wigs do not have that elastic band, so it's not glueless, but then you have those 2 straps that usually come inside of a wig as well. And then I did cut the lace off camera. Y'all know I go in a zigzag motion, and that's what I was just showing y'all here, what the lace is looking like once it is completely cut off. And then it's time for this wig to go. She was cool. I'll leave a link for her in the video and in the description box as well if y'all want to see how I installed her. But like I said, it was time for her to go. I will say this wig was very easy to put on. I didn't really have to do much to it, and I know I don't show y'all in my videos. Usually with my wigs, I do have to put some sort of foundation or foundation powder on the lace. With this one, I did not. So whatever color y'all seeing through the lace, that's just my wig cap. I didn't have to add anything additional to it. And then I'm just making sure that my part is in the middle. As I always tell y'all, I can never get my part straight, as I'm sure y'all saw in that last video, because it definitely was not straight. I saw that after the fact. But yeah, just making sure it's in the middle. And then we're going in with our olive oil wig spray. Now I will say with this spray, because I told y'all we ain't using certain brands anymore, but with this one, I've used it before, but with this one you have to use more of the spray because it's not as strong of a hold as some other sprays. So I did have to go in with about 4 layers of this spray. Usually I do about 2 to 3. This one I definitely did 4. And then I'm going in with that rat tail comb, as y'all know, to help press that lace down into the skin with the blow dryer so we can really get it melted. And then I am putting on that elastic band. Once we tie that elastic band on, we're going to be leaving it on for about 5 minutes. Now it is time for that band to come off. I am going to be trying out a different trick with the band, because I have noticed with that elastic band it does leave a slight bit of a residue with the spray when you tie it down. So that's why you see me here taking a little bit of alcohol on a Q-tip and just getting wiping off any of that white residue. And then it's time to flatten her out. I'm taking my hot comb. I'm not sure what setting I put this on, but I know it was a lower setting because with this wig, which I did not mention, You can put heat on it, but you can only do between like 350 and 400 degrees because it is synthetic. So yeah, I did put on a low setting, but you're just trying to make that super flat next to that part because it was a little bit bulky and a little bit bumpy at the top. But I will say with this wig as well, I'm not going to say it's big head friendly. Usually I do. This one I'm not going to say that because like I told y'all, as y'all always know, and I mentioned in all of my videos, I don't braid my hair down. I wear it in a puff. And it fit, but it barely fit over my hair, if that makes sense. And then I had to, because it didn't have an elastic band like most of the wigs do, I had to take those two straps, I unhooked them, and I hooked them together to make sure it gave me a secure fit. So it is a snug fit. If your hair is braided down, it'll probably be a little bit better, but if you don't, then it's gonna be a snug fit. But yeah, y'all, I'm loving the color on this hair. I didn't really get much shedding on this hair at all. I didn't really have to do nothing to it, and I love it. You see me just playing around with it, coming through with the waves or whatever. Y'all, this wig, I am in love with it. Y'all know I don't really do anything with the baby hairs or whatnot. Is this considered a lob? Y'all know what a lob is, a long bob. I feel like that's what this is considered, and I love it. I don't know, I've just been feeling bobs lately. But I'm definitely in love with the color on this one, the style, everything. Like I said, Sensational is one of my other go-to brands when I'm not doing outre, so I am in love with it. And I want y'all to go to my community tab on my page. Let me know what other videos y'all want to see from me besides the wig videos, because I kind of want to switch it up a little bit, but I want to know what y'all want to see from me. Yeah, I'm feeling this. I love a good like balayage, ombre, blonde bombshell type of moment. I love the dark roots going into that brown, going into that blonde. I love how they place the color. I just love all of it. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, make sure y'all give it a fat thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below to join the ALB fam, because where else would you want to be? And don't forget to hit that bell notification as well so y'all never miss when I post another video. And until the next video, y'all, I love y'all as always. Bye, y'all.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that, ass is still amazing.